interdisciplinary unit blends subjects to mirror real-world problem solving, creating meaningful and interconnected learning experiences.
The idea behind this is the students become accountable for their own learning, resilience in them, and the agency that they take ownership of what they want to do and what they want to become. We started with brainstorming with the students, proposed few ideas, and the students came up with this idea that they want to work with this theme because they feel that they want to explore this deeply and try to connect it with not only with the subjects but also with their real life.
So what I understood about well-being through this event was how we can reach our final goal of well-being in multiple different ways, which we don't even think about in our normal day life. For us, it was science and math. And when we combined science and math together, we were able to make the concepts which look harder way easier.
It was an amazing outreach that was shown to us. It's one of the things about the school, not just this. All the side activities they do with the students are very important. The growth of the student is enhanced. It's their minds to grow. And that's what I think an event like this does.
This experience was amazing, and I'm so glad that I could be here. Everything was so meticulously planned. You know, one thing that really impressed me, that it's the children who have done it all. From writing the script to executing it, I'm so glad children are being taught all these things which is apart from their curriculum.
The IDU is a very core component of the MYP. So it is that area where students integrate the subject knowledge as well as the skills of two different subjects and solve real life problems.
I was so happy to see her perform so well. It was such an enriching and fulfilling experience for me. I was here since morning. The performance that they did in the theatre, they were also confidently doing it. All the visual arts and all the exhibitions that we saw, it was just amazing. The level of their mind and their creativity is just out of this world. It's all thanks to the teachers, and we are very grateful to the school.